CyberDet 1 wireless detonators delivers safe, easy and efficient automated charging and blasting.
CyberDet is the future of blasting. With manual or automated pre-drilling of rings, workers are removed from harm's way. There's also no need for complex wiring during deployment, which makes charging and deployment fast and easy. Detonated rings will not damage undetonated ones. CyberDet facilitates the transformation of traditional mining as we know it, with a drastic improvement in safety, efficiency and ore extraction ratio.
The transmitter and antenna are set up underground to cover the blast area. Various antenna setups are available to suit individual customers' needs.
Successful through-the-earth signaling from antenna to targeted blast area is verified with field strength meters positioned in the target blast area.
The ViewShot 3D blast and detonator timing delay design, together with the communication encryption key, is downloaded to the CE4 tagger. The tagger is now ready to program CyberDet via the near-field communication sensor on-site and underground. At the blasting site prior to charging the blast holes, the 4G detonator connects to and automatically switches on the receiver. The receiver will perform a self-diagnostic test and will indicate via LED if the test is passed. The CyberDet unit can now be tagged via the near-field communication device.
The CE4 tagger will program the receiver with the communication encryption key and program the 4G detonator with the timing delay.
The CE4 tagger will also confirm successful programming. CyberDet will be labelled with the hole identification and then manually or autonomously deploy into the blast hole with the charging lance. As the lance retracts, the void is filled with an explosive charge. The transmitter will be switched to blast mode and the blast control unit is then activated from the surface for centralized blasting. The CyberDet unit will remain idle or in sleep mode awaiting further commands. At blasting time, the blast will be initiated by the surface blast controller with a command to wake, arm and fire. Only the cluster of units with the same encryption key as used within the blast command will then fire. So why use CyberDet?
CyberDet removes personnel from hazardous working conditions, making blasting easy and enabling automation. It delivers more reliable blasting outcomes with no wire cutoffs. Preloaded rings are blasted from the BlastWeb surface controller, enabling faster, remote-controlled loading cycle times. Enabling changes in mining methods to increase ore recovery, improve grade and reduce underground man-hours, as blast holes can be preloaded and charged for up to 60 days. Using centralized blasting from the surface with the new BlastWeb 2 system, CyberDet enables future autonomous drilling and explosive charging with no wires, eliminating wastage and environmental impact.
The CyberDet value proposition, delivering improved safety, productivity and ore recovery efficiency.